In what can be termed as a major political development, State Assembly Speaker Rebati Mohan Das stepped down from his post, citing personal reasons. Well, BJP MLA from Khairpur Assembly constituency, Ratan Chakrabarti, is said to be the front runner for the Speaker's post now, even as Deputy Speaker Bishwa Bandhu Sen is also said to be in the race for the Speaker's post. While it is unclear as to why Rebati Mohan Das decided to give up the Speaker's post, the former, while speaking to Northeast Live, stated that he wanted to focus on strengthening the organizational structure of the party.
আমি দীর্ঘদিন যাবৎ মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর কাছে এই দায়িত্ব থেকে আমার অন্তত অব্যাহতি দেন। আমি সংগঠন করার লোক, আমার এই এত পদমর্যাদা রক্ষা করা আমার পক্ষে খুব কঠিন হবে এবং বিগত নির্বাচনে আমি এর আগেই যোগদান করেছি। প্রত্যেকটা পাড়ায় পাড়ায় গিয়ে বাড়ি বাড়ি গিয়ে সারা রাজ্যের মধ্যে আমার পরিচিত এবং আত্মীয়স্বজন ছড়িয়ে আছে। কাজটাই করতে পারছি না, যে কারণে আমি বললাম যে আমাকে ছেড়ে দিন। শেষ পর্যন্ত বিরক্ত হয়ে হোক আর কাজটার প্রতি গুরুত্ব দিয়ে হোক আমার অব্যাহতি দিয়েছে। তার জন্য আমি বিজেপি দল এবং বিপ্লব করে শ্রদ্ধা এবং অভিনন্দন জানাই।
Well, Rebati Mohan Das also made it clear that he is very much with the BJP and hasn't stepped down as an MLA.
রিজাইন করে তাহলে ডেপুটি স্পিকারের কাছে করতে হয়, এটাই নিয়ম। তো এমএলএ থেকে রিজাইন করিনি বা বিজেপি দলের সদস্য পদ থেকে রিজাইন করিনি, বরং আমি চাপ সৃষ্টি করেছি আমাকে ছেড়ে দেওয়ার জন্য।
Well, Das indicated that Ratan Chakrabarti is the front runner for the Speaker's post.
স্পিকারের লিস্টে আমার হিসেবে তো বিশ্ববন্ধু বাবু তো আসেনি, শুনেছি রতন বাবু নাকি এটার জন্য, বা রতন বাবুকে দেওয়া হতে পারে এই ধরনের একটা কথা শুনেছি।
And to know more, we are being joined live from the newsroom with our news editor Nabarun Goswami. So Nabarun, sudden development again in Tripura. Speaker Rebati Mohan Das stepping down. So he has maintained that he wants to focus on the organization part. But is that all, or there may be more to the story, Nabarun?
Yes, Priya, big development again in Tripura politics. All of a sudden, the Tripura Assembly Speaker Rebati Mohan Das decides to step down. We have just heard him saying that he has always been associated with the organization. Of course, he was with the CPIM earlier, shifted to the BJP in 2016. He has been always somebody who has been among the masses, who has gone door to door to campaign, and he wants to get back to that job. He himself said that he himself exerted the pressure and requested Chief Minister Biplab Deb to relieve him from the Speaker's post, and he claims that he has been doing it for a long time now, and finally he decided to step down. Well, this is what Rebati Mohan Das is saying, and of course as we all know, and Das himself said that Ratan Chakrabarti, veteran MLA, Khairpur MLA, veteran party leader Ratan Chakrabarti may be the next Tripura Speaker, even though the name of Bishwa Bandhu Sen, the Deputy Speaker, is also doing rounds. Now, what our sources are also telling us from Tripura, Priya, is that there may be, these are all speculations mind you, but there may be more to the story. Ratan Chakrabarti of course is perhaps the senior most veteran MLA, senior most leader MLA in Tripura, and he has been loyal, close to Chief Minister Biplab Deb for some time. Of course, we have had the cabinet expansion last Saturday. Last Saturday we had the cabinet expansion wherein 3 more ministers were inducted. Of course, Ratan Chakrabarti was not one of them, and some feel that this may be an attempt to ensure that he doesn't feel left out. He has been long loyal for the last 2 years, has been loyal to the quote-unquote Biplab Deb camp, as sources in Tripura say, and this may be an effort, an attempt to accommodate him. And also, Rebati Mohan Das has been given the charge as Vice President Tripura BJP. So something for both of them. This is what they're saying. Moreover, there's another point that we have to note is that Ratan Chakraborty has also been with the TMC, mind you, from the TMC, earlier Congress, then TMC, the veteran leader, then the BJP. Of course, it may also play in the minds of the BJP leaders with the TMC trying to make inroads. Maybe they may also reach out to Ratan Chakraborty, who has been with the party formally. So a lot of these factors may have added up for this decision to be taken, as it comes at a certain political development. Nothing much was talked about it, and all of a sudden we got to know. So these are some of the speculations doing round in Tripura, but for now it seems that Ratan Chakraborty is the front runner for the post, and it seems almost certain that he may be the next speaker. But let's not take a call on that, because we are yet to get the official notification. But one thing is certain, Revati Mohan Das is the Vice President, Tripura BJP. He will get back to the organizational strengthening, as he himself said, and we have to wait and see as to whether Ratan Chakraborty succeeds him as the next speaker.
Right, and right, Nabarun, as you've already mentioned, that speculations are still rife over what led to the resignation. Everything is very unclear as of now, isn't it, Nabarun?
Well, yes, but Revati Mohan Das himself has made its point clear. He did not shy away from talking to the media. He cited personal reasons. He has made his reasons clear. So the one thing is certain, he is very much with the BJP. He will remain with the BJP, and not much of a problem here. But overall, observers feel that this also may be a bid by accommodating Ratan Chakraborty as a speaker. This also further strengthens the quote-unquote Biplab Deb camp here. Right. Mind you, we still have this ongoing crisis whereby Sudeep Roy Varman has for the first time openly revolted that he would not work under the leadership of Chief Minister Biplab Deb. So clearly we have seen certain developments. Ram Prasad Paul, Sushanta Chaudhary, two of the MLAs were inducted as ministers. Sushanta Chaudhary was once known to be close to Sudeep Roy Varman, the youngest minister in the state now, and all these, Sushanta Chaudhary, if it's Ratan Chakraborty, formerly TMC. So what we are seeing right now, Priya, may also be an attempt to reach out to those who have been with the TMC formerly. That is also one angle that sources are indicating it.
All right, Nabarun, thank you so much for all those details. So we was a big political development from Tripura as State Assembly Speaker Revati Mohan Das stepped down from his post, citing personal reasons. And as I have already mentioned, that BJP MLA from Khairpur Assembly constituency, Ratan Chakraborty, is said to be the front runner for the Speaker's post now, even as Deputy Speaker Bishwabandhu Sen is also said to be in the race for the Speaker's post.